All right, so I'm supposed to be filming the acro video right now, which I'll have to film later because I just got this in the mail from a secret admirer, and I figured, you know what? Why don't we just do an unboxing, see what it is, and then get some feedback from you guys. So let's cut to this. As you can see, we got the Q Sugar Weasel 13-inch upper. Big shout out to Q for getting this out kind of early, not really, a little early, just a hair, just like the smallest of head starts. So we could get a first look at this and answer some of the questions that you guys have. Also, big thank you to Tag Firearms, who are a sponsor of this channel, who will be having these in stock, and they were able to help coordinate so that we could get this out to answer some of the questions you guys have. So with that said, what are some of the things you guys want to know? I've seen some on the forums. People want to know if they fit on certain lowers, if they'll work with different BCGs. Do me a favor in the comments down below, and this is a short video, just kind of want to do an unboxing and show you guys what we have. We're going to get an initial first look. I'm going to get out on range with Calvin. We're going to take a couple of his lowers. We're going to take some of my lowers. We're going to put them on there, throw some different BCGs in there, some different buffer combos, and try them out, and just show you guys what this is capable of. But if you have any other questions, if there's something you want to know specifically about it, leave it in the comments down below. Also, keep an eye out on Tag Firearms. They will have these available on their site, and you can purchase them there. Also, goonlife saves you some money there, so keep an eye out, or use that if you decide to purchase something there. But yeah, looking forward to getting on the range with this. So Calvin, if you're watching this, please come over now and bring all the guns so we can try them. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, karate chop that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully talking more about this. Actually, it'll be about the acro. I got to do the acro video and then another video, and then in that time there should be enough that we've gotten on. It's fine. There's more videos coming. Lots of videos coming. Hang out. Follow along. I appreciate you guys.